Hello friends, in part 1 of arranging slides in a presentation, we learnt about adding new slides and deleting slides. We will continue our discussion on arranging slides. In this part 2, we will learn about duplicating a slide and shuffling slides within a presentation. Before starting, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Here I have opened the 7 habits presentation. Let's see it by running slideshow. Have you noticed that I have so far included 5 slides containing first 5 habits? Now suppose I want to duplicate a slide. There are 2 very simple ways to do this. Right click the slide you want to duplicate. A pop-up menu will appear and click Duplicate Slide. A similar new slide will appear right below the selected slide. The second method for duplicating a slide is by using copy and paste commands. First, right click the slide which you want to duplicate. A pop-up menu will appear. Click Copy from the list. Right click again, click Paste. A new slide will appear right below the copied slide. Now let's take some quiz. Question number 1. For duplicating a slide, we can use cut and paste commands. True or false? If your answer is false, then you're correct. We can use copy and paste commands for duplicating a slide, not cut and paste commands. In this section, we will learn 2 scenarios of shuffling slides within a presentation, moving a single slide within a presentation, moving multiple slides within a presentation. Suppose we want to move slide 1 to slide 4. Then left click slide 1 like this and keep the left click button on the mouse pressed. Now move the slide to the desired location between slide 4 and 5 like this. Release the mouse. You will notice that slide number 1 is now at slide 4 location and the rest of the slides have been shuffled. You can also move a single slide by cut and paste method. First, right click the slide you want to move. Let's say I want to move slide number 2 to slide number 5. Then I right click slide number 2. A pop-up menu will appear like this. Select cut. Now click the slide after which you want to place the slide. In this case, I click slide number 5, right click and select paste. You will notice that slide 2 is now moved to new location, slide 5, and rest of the slides have been shuffled upwards. So far, we have discussed 2 methods to move a single slide within a presentation. Number 1, drag and drop method, and number 2, cut and paste method. These methods can be used to move multiple slides within a presentation. First of all, select all the multiple slides you want to move. Suppose I want to move the first 2 slides of the presentation at the last. You may remember from my past video that to select 2 slides in a series, we use Shift and down arrow key on the keyboard like this. Once two slides are selected, either we can use the drag and drop method like this to place these at my desired location, or we can right click and use cut and paste commands to move this slide to a desired location like this. Here is an exercise for you. Try to move slide 1 and 3 to the end of the presentation. Use control command for selecting random slides as I discussed in the previous video. Pause the video and try out this exercise. I hope that you did the exercise successfully. Anyways, I will do it for you. Here, select slide number 1 and press Ctrl key. Click slide number 3. Now I use the drag and drop method to move both of these at the end. You will see that both of the selected slides are moved at the end of the slide and the rest of them have been shuffled. Now let's take some quiz. Question number 1. For selecting slides in a series, you should select the top slide and press the following keyboard command. A. Shift down arrow. B. Control down arrow. C. Shift up arrow. D. Control up arrow. If your answer is A, then you are correct. As it was mentioned in the question that top slide is selected, then in this case you have to press shift down arrow to select the remaining slides. Question number 2. For selecting slides randomly, you select the first slide and press Ctrl and next slide. True or false? If your answer is true, then you're correct. You can select any number of random slides by pressing Ctrl and required slides. See you in the next video with more information. Bye bye.